back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do another experiment. For this experiment you need plastic bottle, and some food coloring. So I have poured the water and the food coloring. Now this experiment name is lava, means in this I want to add and the lava will come out from the bottle. So I am going to add and here the lava is coming, and like this volcanoes erupt. So in this experiment the lava exposed out from this wind. Here is the crater, and with the hot and humid temperature inside the volcano, it erupts out like this. And then when the volcano erupts out, after few days, several weeks or a month, it settles down and for fertile soil. So I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.